In this video we will discuss about what is folder and subfolder and how to open Windows Explorer and how to create folder on desktop and in a drive. So when we turn on your computer for the first time, this screen appears on the screen, and this screen is known as desktop. And we can see here there are a few pictures, and out of these pictures there, there are some icons and there are some files and there are some folders. So let me show you first of all icons. You can see this is the first one. This is the icon, WhatsApp icon, and we can see here arrow at the corner of this icon, and again this is another icon with having arrow. So all the icons which are having arrow at the corner, these are icons, shortcut icons. Okay, and there are icons in which there are not shortcut short jump arrows. So like recycle bin is an icon. Okay, so computer, this PC is the icon. So all these are icons. And let me show you now files. This is a file, this one is also a file, this is a file, and all these are files. So what is file? A file contains related information. So all these are the files which contain related information. Like in your mobile phone, picture is a file. Most of you have seen your parents or your elders listening to music or watching videos. So what are these? These are music files or video files. Similarly, these are files. So files stores related information. Similarly, we have folders. This is a folder, this is one folder. Okay, this is how the folder look like. Okay, so these all are present on the desktop. This area is known as, the screen is known as desktop, and at the bottom of this desktop we can see the taskbar. This horizontal bar, this black bar, is known as taskbar. Okay, so I have shown you the icons. These are icons, all these are files. Files stores related information as we have discussed earlier. Okay, and folders, these are folders. What folder contain? Folder contains folders as well as files. This is one folder, class third. How to open any folder or a file or any icon that is present on the desktop? We can open a file or a folder or a icon, okay, using mouse. We have to bring the mouse pointer over the icon or the file or the folder which we want to open, and then we have to press left mouse button. There are two mouse buttons on the mouse, so we will press left mouse button twicely. Okay, quickly. Okay, so double click, that is called double click. So if I double click over it, so you can see I have opened the folder and it says this folder is empty, there is nothing inside this folder. So okay, so we can add, okay, inside a folder what we can add, a folder can contain folder as well as related files. We can add folders and files into a folder. Let me show you another folder. This is the computer folder. Name of the folder is computer. You can see even the icons are having name. Below them name is written. Like here, this icon is the picture, and below this the name of this picture is, okay, the icon is WhatsApp. These are icons. Okay, so icons having names. Similarly, the files are having names. Okay, each file, this is the file, this one is the file, this one is also file. So all these are having names. Below them name is written. Okay, name is mentioned. Similarly, each file or as well as each folder, okay, we can see these are the two folders. This is also folder. So all are having name below them. So this is a computer folder. So by pressing left mouse button over it, what I am able to do, I am able to select it. You can see a box, okay, a rectangular box around it. This is called that, this means this is selected now. Okay, now to open it, what I will do, I will press left mouse button 2 times quickly. That is called double click. So I will press it. Now you can see I have opened this computer folder, and within a folder, this is how another folder is there, class third. Okay, one more folder is inside the computer folder, and this folder is called subfolder. What it's called? Subfolder, because this class third folder is inside the computer folder. Now if I will double click over this folder, okay, to open it, so again there is one more folder inside the class third, that is test. So this is again a subfolder. What is subfolder? Folder within another folder is called subfolder. Now if I double click over this test folder, so we can see here there is one folder and there are few files inside the folder. Which folder? Test folder. Inside the test folder there is one more folder, new. Okay, if I double click on this new folder, it is empty. Okay, and okay, but inside the test folder we have new folder and few related files that belongs to your class test. So a file contains related information. What we have learned, a file contains related information, and a folder contains related folders as well as related files. So we will discuss that how to create a file or folder in the upcoming topics. So now let us discuss how to open Windows Explorer and what is Windows Explorer. So first of all, we will open Windows Explorer. We can open Windows Explorer by double clicking on the computer icon. This is the computer icon. Okay, here the name of this computer icon is this PC. In some computers it is, okay, name of this icon will be computer, but in my computer name of this icon is this PC. So I will, to open it, what we will do, we will press left mouse button 2 times, or we can say we will double click over it. So we will press it, and this window, okay, that has appeared, this is the window of Windows Explorer. This is called Windows Explorer. So I will click on this cross. Okay, I will bring this mouse pointer, this is known as mouse pointer. We will click on this cross to close it, and okay, so you can use this icon, computer icon, to open Windows Explorer. Second way is there is a shortcut key combination. I will open here on screen keyboard. Okay, I will tell you later on that how to open on screen keyboard. Okay, but for the time being, let me show you the shortcut method, that what shortcut key combination we will use to open Windows Explorer. Second way of opening Windows Explorer. This is the Windows key, this one. So we will press this Windows key and we will hold it. We will not release it. Okay, and after pressing this, okay, we will not release it, and after pressing it, we will hold it, and then we will press E key from the keyboard, Windows plus E. Okay, once we press it, we can see the Windows Explorer window appears on the screen, same screen, Windows Explorer. So this is how we can open Windows Explorer. Using this window, that is Windows Explorer, what we can do, we can manage the files and the folders that are stored in the computer, because in computer the information is stored in the form of what? Files, and files are stored again in the folders. We can keep the files again in the folders, as well as we can keep folders within folder that is called subfolder that we have discussed. So we can, okay, if we want to, if we have kept certain files in the computer, so we can use them, that is we can access them, we can edit, we can make changes in them, okay, or we can organize them, okay, we can arrange them in according to their names. Okay, we will learn this in higher standards, files and folders. Okay, we can delete them. Delete means we can remove them. We can create, okay, new files and folders. We can copy as well as we can move file and folders from one location to another in computer. How to do that we will discuss, okay, in the upcoming topics. And we can also view the files and folders, okay, using what? Windows Explorer, that where they are present in the computer. So for the time being, I will close this Windows Explorer window by clicking on the close button that is present at the corner. So as I have told you, this entire screen is known as desktop. Okay, on the left side we can see the icons or the files or the folders that are present on my desktop, on my screen, okay, on my computer screen. And this, as I have told you, this is taskbar at the bottom of desktop. And now we will learn how to create a folder on the desktop. Okay, so you can see this is a blank area of the desktop where nothing is present. Okay, so here what we will do, we will bring the mouse pointer on the blank area, anywhere around the blank area, and we will press right mouse button once, and a shortcut menu will appear on the screen. This is called shortcut menu or context menu. In this shortcut menu, we will move the mouse pointer over new. As soon as we will move the mouse pointer over new option, further sub options will appear on the screen, or we can say a sub menu will appear on the screen. In this sub menu, we can see the first option, folder. If we click over this option with the help of left mouse button, what will happen? A new folder will be created immediately, okay, on the desktop. If I click over it, we can see here immediately a new folder is created here with the name new folder. And you can see that around these two words, that is new folder, you can see blue color. This blue color shows that these two words are selected, or we can say highlighted. This new folder is what? The name of the folder which we have created, and the name of this folder is new folder, and it is selected, or we can say the name is highlighted. Now if we press any alphabet key from the keyboard, okay, then we will be able to rename, or we will be able to give any name to this folder. So now I'm going to type the name to this folder. Computer class. After typing the name, we will press enter key from the keyboard, and our folder will be, okay, named. Now we have changed the name. So in this way we can create a new folder and name it. Now we will learn how to create a folder in a drive and what is drive. Now to open a folder in a drive, in a particular drive, okay, or I will tell you what is drive. We will open first Windows Explorer. So either we can double click over this computer icon, or we can press Windows plus E key combination to open Windows Explorer. So I will double click over this to open Windows Explorer. This is the Windows Explorer. Here we can see in this window, these are the folders, and above these folders, these are drives. You can see here it is mentioned device and drives. So, and this 5 is what count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 devices, or we can say drives, and there are you can see here it is mentioned folder 7. So these are 7 folders, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So there are 7 folders here, and there are drives. So this is one drive, this is second, this is third, this is fourth, and this is fifth. So all these are drives, name of the drives. Okay, so now I will how to open any drive. Okay, these are the names. C, can you see here? This one is the C, this is E, this is F, and in front of C drive it is written it is mentioned local disk. E, name of the E drive is software, name of the F drive is multimedia. Okay, I have named them. We will learn how to rename it later on. For the time being, this is C drive, this is E drive, and this is F drive, and this is G drive. Okay, these are the letters, alphabets. So now I will open this one by double clicking over any of the drive. I can open it by pressing left mouse button 2 times. I will double click over it, so my drive is open, and within the drive you can see again folders. Okay, and there is a one file within a drive. Okay, this is a picture file. Now to create a folder in this drive, this is the blank area of this browser. Okay, that is Windows Explorer. Okay, now we will right click on the blank area of the Windows Explorer. I will right click over here, a shortcut menu will appear, and in this shortcut menu again we have to locate new option, and a sub menu will appear. From the sub menu we have to locate folder option. So I will click on this, and as soon as we will click, a new folder will be created, and name of the folder will be new folder. Now you can see again the folder name, that is new folder, is highlighted, or we can press here delete key if we want to type a new name, and you can see here cursor is blinking. This line, blinking line, is called cursor. Now here we can type a new name, computer, and after that process is same. We will press enter key, and we have created a folder, and we have also named it. So this is how we can create a folder in our desktop as well as in a particular drive. Now I will click on this close button to close this window.